producing reduction in the presence of nitrile. This is a nitrile, that is RCN. Okay, that is RCN, nitrile. Reduction in the presence of nickel or any palladium or this thing, that gives a RCH2 NS2. Okay, so in this one more carbon group is added to the amine group. Apart from the alkyl group, there is one more carbon which is attached to the alkyl group, or CN. Okay. And if you take these amines, we know that these are all, of course, if you want the primary, secondary, tertiary amine, you get the group of amines, and from them you have to separate the individual amines to get the secondary or tertiary or other type of amines. Even you can do the reduction of RCO NS2, that is amide, on reduction with the lithium aluminum hydride, also gives RCH2 NS2 reduction. S2 is getting added. Amides also, apart from nitriles which are hydrogenated or which is reduced, even amides also can be reduced to get RCH2 NS2. Good. So, there are certain other methods of preparation. One is the very well known method for preparation of the primary amine, means Gabriel phthalimide synthesis. Gabriel phthalimide synthesis. We all the primary product, the starting product is phthalimide, and you know phthalimide is, this is phthalimide, which we have already seen in. This is phthalimide. This we have seen in in our naming. This phthalimide on reaction with KOH in the presence of ethanol, that is ethanolic KOH. Okay. So in this you get So in this you get so here it is substituted NO, and then instead of N becomes you get K. It is potassium phthalimide. This potassium phthalimide, when on reaction with the RX, so this is on reaction with the RX gives this on reaction with RX gives the CO, and you get the R substituted. So you get KX will be coming out, potassium halide, and you get so this is alkyl phthalimide. From this alkyl phthalimide, this one again, from here we are going to get RNS2. So here you are going to get H2 added here. So you get the primary amine. So this is the primary amine. This Gabriel phthalimide synthesis is one of the important process for the preparation of the primary amine. Depending upon the R, if it is more, the size of the R will become more. So this is Gabriel phthalimide synthesis. Here the reactants used is NaOH. Okay, NaOH, when it is added, you get COONA. Then COONA. ONA is added here, H is getting added there. So, 2 molecules of NaOH. This is aqueous NaOH. So, this is Gabriel phthalimide. And another important reaction is Hoffman's bromomide degradation. Hoffman's bromomide degradation. This Hoffman's bromomide degradation, in this amide. Amide is treated with bromine, and in the presence of aqueous or alcoholic NaOH. Okay, treated with this thing in the presence of aqueous or alcoholic NaOH, you will be surprised that RCONS2 becomes RNS2. Okay, so all this the RNS2, instead of RCO, one CO is getting removed and R gets attached to the NS2, RNS2. So that is the reason from alkyl plus one carbon, one of the carbons is getting degraded. So the final product has one carbon less than the initial product. So only it is called bromomide reaction. Of course, you get the variety of other compounds like NaBr plus Na2CO3, all these products. I think it should be 4 NaOH. So you get Na plus Br, NaBr, and then of course Na2CO group is there, Na2CO3, and the variety of other products are formed. So here the product formed has one carbon less than the reactant. So this is called the degradation. This is also one of the methods of our preparation, one of the important methods for the preparation of primary amines. Properties of amines. So when you take the physical properties, the lower members as usual are soluble in water, and the solubility decreases with increase in atomic mass. Solubility decreases with increase in atomic mass. So then if you take this thing, they also form intermolecular bonding with hydrogen. And so this is one of the reasons for solubility. So when it comes to boiling points, as the primary amines have more boiling points than the secondary amines, than the tertiary amines. Okay, as when it comes to tertiary amine, there is no question of any hydrogen atom. So the boiling points are of the order primary is greater than secondary is greater than tertiary. This is about the boiling point. I mean, this is about the physical properties. When it comes to chemical properties, they are basic in nature. So basic means any base reacts with acid. Okay, reacts with acid, or either can be reacts with any RH. Acid, no, we will take it as HX. Either hydrochloric acid or hydrobromic or whatever it is, they react with acid to form a salt, or NH3 plus and X minus. This is a salt. Okay, this salt on, so this proves the basic property. This salt on actually treatment with NaOH. Once this is treatment with NaOH, we get back the amine. Okay, the salt on treatment with the HX gives us, the basic amine when treated with HX gives this, and which on reverse treatment with the base, you get back the primary amine. So this proves the basic nature. And then when it comes to the basic nature, how it compares with ammonia, on comparison with ammonia, how the basic nature is for the primary, comparing methyl and ethylamines with ammonia. Okay, comparing methyl and ethylamines with ammonia in case of basicity. In terms of basic properties, we find that the secondary amines, secondary ethylamine, okay, is having more basic property than the tertiary amine, tertiary ethylamine, which is greater than, then only the primary comes, that is C2H5NS2, and which is greater than ammonia. So the higher, the basic property is the highest with the secondary amine. This secondary amine, after secondary amine, it is the tertiary amine. After the tertiary amine is the primary amine, and these are the order of basicity in case of comparing with ammonia in case of ethylamine. In case if it is a methylamine, again the secondary methylamine is having the highest basic activity. Here the order is to a certain extent reversed, in the sense CS3NS2 is the thing, then after that is CS3NS2, CS3 twice NH, after that the primary amine, and after that only is the tertiary amine, which is greater than ammonia. Okay, so if you see this two, there is a small difference. No doubt the secondary amines are more basic in both the cases, whereas in the as a second this thing, it is a tertiary amine with ethylamine, and whereas this is a primary amine with the methylamine or methenamine. So this is the basicity is because of compound of properties like a plus I effect, induction effect, and of course this is a steric interference. In case if there are bulkier group, how the bulkier group are going to affect the thing, and then the nature of the amine, so whether it is primary or secondary or tertiary. So these three properties, they decide the basic property of the amines. The inductive effect, of course the steric hindrance or steric interference, and primary or secondary or tertiary amines, these decide the basic property of, they decide the basic property of the amines.